Let's start with the plain peanut butter. 300 grams roasted peanuts and 2 pinches of iodized salt. These are the 2 basic ingredients. Sugar, 30 grams, and coconut oil, 25 grams. These 2 are optional depending on you. Now, let's go to the procedure. Step 1, roasting. Roast the peanuts in an oven or pan until golden brown. Allow it to cool before going to the next step. By the way, I'm using roasted peanuts, so I'll skip this step number 1. Step 2, grinding. Place the roasted peanuts and coconut oil into a blender or food processor. Blend until the peanuts turn into a paste. Blend. By the way, be patient. It will first look crumbly, then thick, and eventually smooth. We'll scrape the side. I think we can put the sugar and the salt now. Look at that, it's already a paste. Yeah, it's a fine paste already. So we'll put the sugar. By the way, I'm using organic palm sugar. And then the salt. And blend it again until the sugar and the salt are blended with the paste. Now you have your own homemade peanut butter. Look at how smooth the texture is now. Transfer it, or you can transfer it in a clean, airtight container. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Homemade Processed Foods. Thank you and God bless.